Gracie. You are early today.
Teacher, I'm really interested to know where the town hall is and where the leader resides.
Town hall? Where the leader resides?
Remember?
Oh, you are talking about the analogy between a fortress and a cell.
Yes. So in a cell, is the town hall the nucleus?
Yes, correct.
But why is the nucleus like the town hall of the cell?
Because this organelle controls the cell's activities. And in a town hall lies a leader that holds a vital role. That's the same as the nucleus with its DNA.
What do you mean?
You see, the nucleus can control cell activities because of the DNA therein that forms genes. Some of these genes are responsible for protein synthesis. These proteins will determine the function of that cell.
And DNA is packed in a tightly coiled, thread-like structure called chromosomes, right?
That's right.
Okay, teacher, I get it. Just to recap, cell contains nucleus. Nucleus contains chromosomes. Chromosomes contains DNA, and a gene is a certain segment of the DNA that encodes protein.
Very good. I think you are ready for a quiz.
I'll try my best.